individual competition leads to social progress.
Yes.
For me po, kung parang individual is ikaw lang mag-isa, di ba?
Yes.
Tama. Parang tambay sa kanto eh. For me po, yung individual competition leads to progress. Para sa akin po is parang hinahasa mo yung sarili mo para mag-progress ka. Kasi pagka, if you are depending on someone or in by group, parang hindi kaya. Pagka didepende ka sa grupo mo or sa ibang tao, parang forever ka na lang na mag-lean back. At saka hindi mo makikita yung capability mo as an individual.
Yung individual competition, ma'am, just like what we did, nag-aaral po tayo ng education para sa sarili natin. Siyempre, kailangan matutunan natin lahat ng aspect ng education para sa social learning. Kasi, paano po kayo magiging teacher in the future kung sa sarili mo, hindi mo alam kung ano ituro mo sa mga bata? Yun lang.
It teaches you how to be an independent person, how to be successful. True. Individual competition is just like endurance, no matter how life, where you are, what kind of challenge you have been. But you still stand up there to fight for your goals and to be successful.
Yes. Kasi pag mag-isa ka, natututo ka. Natututo kang makipag-dilo, social progress ka, di ba? You know how to interact with each other na hindi mo na kailangan kayain yung isa, tara, punta tayong gawin ko, di ba? You cannot interact to another person.
It's come from your own selves talaga.
Yes.
Unang-una talaga sarili mo.
It is, yung sabi ka na, you need to be independent.
Yeah, for example, ma'am, with your friends, masaya ka. Alam mo yung masaya ka lang pero deep inside di ka masaya.
Yes.
So you have to be strong individually kasi at the end of the day, sarili mo lang din ang ano. Iba kasi pag strong ka individually.
Yeah.
At night time, yung wala na yung mga friends mo, makakatulog ka ng mahimbing. Pero yung masaya ka lang na pinifake mo lang siya with your friends, pag gabi, pag naghiwa-hiwalay na kayo mga kaibigan mo, empty, hindi ka as in masaya.
Yes. You're not
So you're surviving.
Meron pa?
Comes from within.
Share ko Special education of Spencer versus general education. Meron ka pa?
Finding ways to be more skillful to be able to share in the society.
Yes. Tama din. Okay. Specialized education of Spencer versus general education. Pagkakaintindi nyo doon is specialized from general. So, survive in a complex society, Spencer favors specialized education over that of general education. We are in need of a social engineers who can combine harmoniously the findings of special knowledge. This is particularly true in the field of medicine. So, yung social engineers who can combine harmoniously the findings of specialized knowledge. Okay. So, yung complex, mas gusto daw ni Spencer from specialized, diba? Yung sinabing sa vocational nga, diba? Dapat, yung tinuturo sa'yo is based for your future job or business, diba? Hindi yung complex na nag-aaral ka pa ng teacher ka, nag-aaral ka na kung ano-ano. Ay, yung major mo is computer, pero inaaral mo is medicine. O kaya,
Hindi siya special.
yes, o kaya yung ano na lang natin, yung pilot natin nag-aaral as
Farmer.
ayun, yung talagang din kahit anong aralin niya, basta hindi siya, wala sa hindi alay sa ayos. Hindi alay. The expert who concentrates on a limited field is useful. The expert who concentrates on a limited field is useful. Diba? Nakakoncentrate lang siya sa limited fields niya. Useful. But if he loses sight on the interdependence of things, he becomes a man who knows more and more about less and less. We must be warned of the deadly peril of over-specialism. Of course, we do not prefer the other extreme, the superficial person who knows less and less about more and more. So, ang sabi dito is, pag naging yun nga, survival from the fittest, diba? Interdependence, na walang support lang. Support, hindi mo na kailangan ng support, diba? Kasi kaya mo na, independent ka na, interdependence, diba? Kaya mo kasi independent ka. Tapos, instead na a person that who knows more and more than less and less, diba? Mas napagtutuunan mo yung importante kaysa yung mga maliliit na bagay. Yung mga, ano naman, yung superficial na paniniwala mo lang. Diba? Yung mga paniniwala, hindi mo na inaano yung mga mas importante, diba? Hindi mo na siya pinapapasok. Okay. So, Spencer, survival of the fittest. Who is fittest survives in the real competition leads to social progress. So, naulit lang siya. Social, emotional learning, atmosphere negate, the whole child approach, and powerful tool for self-focus. School has a tenets. Each student learns in an environment that is physically and emotionally safe for students and adults. And each student has access to personalized learning and support by qualified and caring adults. So, dito rin, whole child approach focuses on building a child's character. So, whole child approach is yun yung pinibuild sa bahay natin na dapat merong support, love, affection ng mga parents para maging buo yung isang bata. Para maging emotionally fit and survival. He or she can survive from the fittest, right? Okay. Qualified and caring adults. Yung mga parents natin na. Diba, pag ikaw na anak, hindi ka care, and yung parents mo, walang love, affection, support.
Magre-reflect sa'yo.
Oo. Ganun din ang gagawin mo sa anak mo.
Parang generation din.
Oo. Ganun din ang ano, parang yung nagkukup ka na lang sa iba. So, hindi ka makapag-survive without love, affection, and support from your
Family.
yes, from adult. Yeah, family. The highlighted words points no competition for competition works against emotionally safe environment. Yun, di ba? Safe environment sa pamilya mo o sa school na lang din. So, yung teacher mo, walang pake sa'yo, mga ano, kaibigan mo, no safe environment. So, ano pagkakaintindi nyo sa no competition for competition sa competition? Na wala naman palang competition. Because?
The highlighted words.
Okay, hindi, ito na lang. No competition for competition. English means you have a freedom. It's a friendly competition kasi wala nagko-compete. It's just only for learning.
I think you're not competing to others but to your own self. To your growth.
Parang ano nga mo share,
Insecure nga.
not sharing your own thoughts.
Yes, this is not a competition.
Yeah.
It's for earning.
Sharing knowledge lang siya. Kung feeling ng iba is just a competition, no. It's just sharing ideas.
Yes, it's true. It's a survival for the fittest.
Hindi lang mo para sa isa, halimbawa ako, hindi lang, kailangan lahat kami makagraduate.
Yes. Oo. Hindi yung sinabing survival for the fittest is maglalaban-laban kayo
Yes.
sa isa.
Hindi.
It's for your own self to be independent. There is no competition for the competition because it's a friendly game. Yes. It's for learning and sharing your thoughts and knowledge and wisdom. Okay. Next, John TV. Baka maubusan tayo ng oras. Nasa lesson 1 pa rin tayo. Lesson 1 pa lang tayo. Yan, lesson 1 pa lang tayo.
Abilis mo ako basta.
Okay.
Parang computer.
Education is a social process and so school is intimately related to the society that is served. Tama, education is social process. Okay, dito sa school na nga lang tayo sa social process interaction, right? Social process. Para mag-build yung independent, yung interaction, yung confidence niyo. Tama? Okay, malalaman niyo yung mga rules, yung mga statuses. Okay. Intimately. Hindi virtual, ha? Okay. Okay, to the society that it serves. Okay. Children are socially active human beings who want to explore their environment and gain control over it. Tama? Palit pa nga lang kayo, nangaagaw na kayo. Di ba? Paglaki nyo. Sige. Okay. Education is a social process by which immature members of the group, especially the children, are brought to participate in the society. Diba? Immature. To mature. Yes. Nabibuild tayo through experience, social progress, inspiration. Yeah. The school is a spatial environment established by members of society. Sino mga society? Tayo. Yes. Yes. For the purpose of simplifying, purifying, integrating the social experience of the group so that it can be understood, examined, and used by its children. Okay. So, ang bumubuo ng school is society. So, ang society naman, binuo niya ang schools. So, reciprocal yan. Ang education magsaserve sa society. Ang society nagsaserve din sa school. Yes. The sole purpose of education is to contribute to the personal and social growth of individuals. Okay. Ano ba ang purpose of education? Ang pinaka-purpose is to contribute to the personal and social of individuals. Okay. Hindi lang sa ating sarili. Pangkalahatan, pero sa isipan. Yes. Okay. The steps of the scientific or reflective method, which are extremely important in the US theory us. Yung scientific method is step to scientific interpretation follow the answer specific question about the natural world. Okay, follows. The learner has a genuine situation of experience involvement in activity in which she is interested. So, nakikipag-participate ka ba pag alam mong may nalulunod. Si CPR mo ba kung alam mo? Hindi. Diba? Kasi kung may, yes, that's it. The learner has a genuine situation of experience, involvement in activity in which she is interested. Isa pa, makikipag-participate ka din ba kung hindi mo alam or hindi mo siya hobbies or hindi mo ba passion? Passion nyo ba ang teachers?
Yes. Hindi pa sa ngayon.
No choice lang daw kasi.
Pag-iisipan pa daw, ma'am, and process.
Option.
Optional daw eh. Dito na
So, hindi kayo interesado?
Of course you are, ma'am.
That's why we are here, ma'am.
Pero nandun yung genuine yun, di ba? Okay. Within this experience, the learner has a genuine problem that stimulates thinking. So, di ba, pag yung genuine is, alam nyo na din yung i-answer nyo. Kasi yung passion nyo, pag passion nyo ang isang bagay, alam nyo na kung anong gagawin nyo, even though you don't even have an experience as you know. The learner possesses the information or does research to acquire the information needed to solve the problem. Tama yan. Meron ka nang alam, or alam mo na, na-experience mo na, or may passion ka doon.
Pero kahit hindi mo pa ma'am alam, pwede ka naman mag-research, ma'am. To be able for you to gain knowledge on that.
The learner develop possible and tentative solution that may solve problem. Okay. Excuse me lang.
Puso na simula. Electrolytes na.
The learner test the solution by applying them to the problem. In this one way, one discovered their validity for oneself. So, ang tinetest ng learner yung ina-apply niya yung solution to the problem. One way, one discovered their validity for oneself. So, pag tinest nila, ina-apply yung solution, nalalaman nila na,
Ayun yung development, ma'am.
I know, right?
Yeah. You're right.
Naging malambing tayo.
Body oil ka, ma'am.
Nadapanap natin siya naging
CCTV pala sa likod. CCTV pa, alam mo lang, water, ano yun.
Naging squammy tayo. Yung picture nyo, the school is social, scientific, and democratic. Tama. Kasi hindi naman tayo, may kalayaan tayo sa school. Yung iba nga ay walang ethics. The school introduces children to society in their heritage. So, introduce children to society. Nalalaman natin kung ano dapat natin gawin sa society, kung ano ba yung the heritage, ano ba yung mga nakaraan natin, yung mga aninuno natin. Yan. Sinasabi natin sa school. Hindi naman pwede sabihin niya ng mama't nanay natin. Ay, mama't papa pala. Mama't nanay. Okay, the school is a miniature society. Maliit lang na society ang school. Kasi nga, kung saan galing yung mga classmate nyo. Di ba? Yung iba, Ilocano. Bicolana. Siguradong Tagalog, ay pure Tagalog. Gano'n, di ba? Ano pa? Mga Iloilo, gano'n. O Bisaya, di ba? O di ba, naging miniature society na naging ano siya, naging included na lahat. Okay. The school is democratic because the learner is free to test all ideas, believe in values, cultural heritage, customs and institutions are all subject to critical inquiry, investigation, and reconstruction. So critical inquiry is the process of gathering, evaluating information, ideas, and assumptions from multiple perspectives to produce well-reasoned analysis. So magkakaiba yung ideas natin sa, kasi di ba iba't iba yung ano natin, cultural natin.
Yes.
Yes, di ba? So na-adapt na isa't isa dito ng magkaibigan. Bicolana, Ilocano, Tagalog. Yung Bisaya, magkaibigan, Ilocano. Di ba? Nag-adapt. Okay? The authoritarian or coercive style of administration and teaching is out of place because they block genuine inquiry and dialogue. Authoritarian or coercive style. Sila yung mga diktatorial, feeling leadership. So, hindi pwede kayo dito. Labas! Bawal kayo dito. Education is social activity in the school. So, hindi na pwede, ay, binablock ng isang authoritarian or coercive sa school kasi nga, hindi sila pwede maging genuine inquiry. Di ba? Hindi, pag ikaw leadership
Parang bawal question din sila, ma'am.
Oo. Tsaka,
Ganon.
isa ba, ma-outplace ka kasi nga, ay, gano'n. Di ba? Basta alam nyo na yun. Kaya ko na magsalita. Education of social activity in the school is a social agency that helps shape human character and behavior. Tama? Yes. Social agency that helps shape human character and behavior. Education. So sa school, or baka naman gusto nyo na lang gumambay sa labas para ma-shape yung pag-uugali nyo. Dahil sa school, di ba? Values are relative but sharing. Cooperation and democracy are significant humans that should be encouraged by school. So, di ba may subject tayong values? Yes. Ito naman tinuturo ang sharing, cooperation, and malaya. Democracy. Okay, the band of knowledge of the human race, David does not discuss and accumulate. Based on the past, discuss ideas, discovers inventions, or our heritage will be used as the material of forgiving problems. So yung mga accumulated wisdom from the past is ginagamit natin in the future, right? Problems. Tama. Hindi. Yung accumulated mga wisdom from the past, yung mga natutunan, yung mga ano natin, yung mga past, yung mga history natin, nagagamit pa ba natin sa mga problema natin in the future? Or yes. Yan, sabi na, reconstruct experience. If they are not totally accurate, they will still part of the reconstructed experience. This means that the ideal learner from is not just one who can learn by doing, conduct an experiment, but one who can connect accumulated wisdom of the past to the present. Yes. So, hindi lang naman tayo natututo sa experience sa ginagawa natin. Of course, yung mga past learnings and wisdom from the past histories, may natutunan tayo dun, right? Hindi lang kasi nakukunik yun sa for problem solving also. Okay, schools for the people and by the people. Schools are democratic institutions wherein everyone regardless of age, ethnicity, social status is welcome is encouraged to participate in democratic process of decision making. Learners and stakeholders practice and experience democracy in school. Okay, democratic experience. Tama, di ba sinabi ko na kanina na sa school, may kalayaan tayong lahat. May kalayaan kayo kung ano man ang gusto nyo gawin. Huwag lang kayong mangbastos. Huwag lang kayong mangbully. Kasi nga, sabi na nga dito, doon sa ano, coercive and authoritarian. Ayun na yun. Okay, yun na yun. Okay. Kay George Counts naman tayo. Building a new social order. Pagka-IT nyo doon. Mag-build tayo na new social order. Education is not based on eternal truth, but it is relative to a particular society living at a given time and a place. Diba? Kasi nabubuhay naman tayo sa present, diba? Hindi naman sa mga katotohanan lang na nababase sa, tama naman na nababase sa mga ano natin principles, yung mga paniniwala. Pero, syempre, mas nagbe-base tayo sa existing time, sa present. The principle is our guide, diba? But we are living in the present. Okay. By aligning themselves with groups that wants to change society, schools should cope with social changes that arises from technology. Kailangan natin mag-cope sa technology. Sino ba gustong ma-behind? Iwan sa everyone. So, dapat lang.
May pagsabayan, ma'am, sa ano.
Social changes. Okay, there is a cultural lag between material progress and social evolution and ethical value. So, ano ba yung cultural lag? Refers to the notion that culture takes time to catch up with the technological innovation and the resulting social problems that are caused by this lag. Okay. So, yung culture natin, naiiwan na, pero yung innovation of our technology is ang bilis. Nauhuli na yung culture natin. Okay, instruction should incorporate a content of socially useful nature and problem-solving methodology. Students are encouraged to work on problems that have social significance. Schools become instruments for social improvement rather than an agency for preserving the status quo. So, yung school become instrument for social improvement rather than agency. Hindi lang yung school, hindi ini-improve niya yung social progress ng mga students. Hindi yung preserve lang niya, di ba? Dapat meron siyang progress, step by step. Hindi yung naka-andun lang tayo kung anong alam mo, dapat yun lang. Hindi pwede, dapat nagiging development, yes. Nag-i-evolve. Teacher should lead society rather than follow it. Di ba? Dapat nag-lead kayo, mga teachers. Hindi kayo yung pinapalo. Nagpa-follow lang. Dapat kayo yung nagiging leader. Na nag-i-instruction lang, dapat may support sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, hindi pwedeng, ikaw, bitbitin mo yan dapat. Pati ikaw, magbitbit din. Kasi may leader ka. Hindi yung taga-ano ka lang. So, ikaw,
Ganyan, ma'am. Bossy, ma'am, bossy.
Hindi pwedeng kayo maging leader. You will be a leader. Dapat sinusupport mo. Hindi, iba,
Iba yung boss kasi, ma'am, sa leader.
yung boss kasi taga-tulong daw. Yung yung leader is
Nag-i-lead.
yes. Teachers are called on to make important choices in the controversial areas of economics, politics, and morality because it's the field to do so. Others would make decision for them. So yung mga teachers, sila yung nagme-make ng important choices. But the teachers, pwede ba silang makipag-interact with the controversial areas of economics? Politics? Pwede ba kayo makipag-interact sa politics? Pero wala pa akong magagawa. I think teachers parang na-allow.
Moral.
Yes. Sa ano lang, pag-vote mo sa school lang.
It's about
Pero hindi
school.
pwede. Okay. Next. schools and teachers as agents of change. Tama?
Yes.
Schools and teachers should be agents of change. Schools are considered instruments for social improvement rather than agencies for preserving status quo. Whatever changes we work for should always be changed for the better, not just change for the sake of change. Ano yun? Change for the better, hindi for the sake of change. Ano yun? Magbabago ka kasi ikakabuti.
Lahat.
Hindi because kailangan lang. Yes. Magbago ka para mag-develop. Hindi para bumalik. Lag between material progress and ethical values. So, dito, sa lag between material progress and ethical values is counts occurs that there cultural lag between material progress and social institution and ethical values. Material progress of human is very evident, but moral and ethical development seem to have lag behind in the prevalence of Egyptian headers. So, dito, yung culture natin is nahuhuli na talaga. Tapos yung rapid development of the technologies is anong bilis-bilis. Tapos sa pag-iiwanan din ang pag-uugali natin. Ethical values. Tama? Yes. Yung sabi na nga dito is we have conquered the number of diseases and even postponed deaths for many. We have conquered aging. Kasi meron ng collagen. Or we have conquered aging, the planet, disease, but we have not conquered ourselves. Tama. Hindi naman natin pwedeng lagyan ng agent yung pag-uugali natin, di ba? Lagyan ng sabon para malinis. Okay, kay Tudor naman tayo, social reconstructionism. As the name implies, social reconstructionism is a philosophy that emphasizes the reformation of society. So, i-reform natin ang society. The social reconstruction contended that humankind has moved from agricultural and rural society to an urban and technological society. So yung agricultural natin naging technology na. Yung rural natin naging urban na. Yung kasi nga diba, probinsya natin puro building na.
Imagine here, ma'am, lahat ng mga agricultural lang ginagawang
Yeah, naging
lahat na naman ginabahay niya. Tinataman niya ng mga
yun na. Okay, yun na nga, nag-connect na yung, excuse me.
Papagod ka na naman basta.
Kayo mag-alala kayo na mag-ano sa next session. Kasi nga wala tayong oras, kasi nga meron tayong introduction, mga name, or mga GC, kasi tayo mag-output na talaga tayo sa first discussion. Yun. Oo. Gusto niyo pabasa ko na lang sa inyo. Uwi na tayo. Okay. Exam na kayo. Urban and technology, ayun, so reconstruct its values in order to catch up with the changes in the technological order and organize education as a major role to play in reducing the gap between the values of the culture and technology. So, meron siyang effect yun, di ba, sa ating mga, hindi lang, kundi para sa mga anak na lang natin, kasi nga, yung agricultura natin, tapos yung sa rural, parang nagiging parang hindi parang kundi totoo, we're in a reality of innovation and rapidly development of technology. Diba, in the future na nga, hindi na natin alam, baka iba na rin kung paano tayo magturo, baka puro virtual na lang, kasi nga, no more spaces already. Kasi puro na lang building, diba? So, dapat, ayun nga, reducing the gap between the values of the culture and technology. So, kailangan natin i-reduce yung gap niya. So, the social reconstructionist asserts that schools should critically examine person's culture and resolve inconsistencies, controversies, and conflicts to build a new society, not just change. Hindi lang natin i-change yung society, do more than reform the society. So,
Build a new
parang yung clay, circle yung ano natin, yung society, papahabain natin, di ba?
change but to make it new.
Yes, i-reform natin siya. Okay, so magne-next na tayo. Technology era is an interdependence, so education must be international in scope for global citizenship. So, for the social reconstructionist, education is designed to awaken students' consciousness about social problems and to engage them actively in problem solving. So, tayo naman, di ba, ang problem, actively naman na time problem solving tayo mga era, pero yung mga anak natin, kaya ba nilang mag-cope sa problem solving in this era?
Depende siguro kung paano mo i-build yung anak mo.
Yes, pero parang more on
Kasi ngayon yung mga kabataan ngayon, they are very weak. When it comes to their emotions,
Insensitive.
yes, that's why napakababa ang survival nila.
ang daming nagsusuicide.
Yes. Kaya tayo mga teachers inaasahan din para maging ma-build yung social progress and further independent. Kasi pag pinabayaan natin sila din kawawa din ang society. Kasi ang society, ang bumubuo niyan, like John Dewey and George Council, social reconstructionists promote belief in active problem solving as a method of teaching and learning. Tama. Teaching and learning, dapat alam mo mag-solve ng problem. You have critical thinking. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-isip lang ng kung ano. Dapat yung pagiging pag-uutang mo, reasonable, rational. Hindi ka pwedeng maging irrational. Paulo Freire, critical pedagogy. So, dapat critical ang pagiging mag-iisip mo para ka matuto, learning method. Paulo Freire, critical theories like social reconstructionists believe that system must be changed to overcome oppression and improve human conditions. So, kailangan daw natin baguhin yung system para mawala yung oppression o abusive sa loob ng society and improve human conditions. Education and literacy are the vehicle of social change. Tama?
Yes.
Tama. Kasi pag hindi ka nakakabasa, saan ka makakapunta?
Pwede magtanong, ma'am.
Yes.
Pwede naman magtanong, ma'am.
Oo, pwede rin.
Pero lack of information.
Oo. Kasi baka pwede,
Gaya ng ibang Pinay dito, nung bago-bago ako, nagtanong ako, niligaw ako.
Baka hindi rin
Wrong
niya alam.
information.
Huwag na lang magsabi. Tama. Kaya mas maganda naman
Turo naman pala naman. Sabi naman pala yun. Dito na. Nagturo ng
In his views, human must learn to resist oppression and not become its victim. Hindi dapat kayo maging victim. Nor oppress others. So, hindi rin pwede maging abusive kayo sa iba or mga ano kayo ng iba, di ba? Pero hindi rin kayo dapat maging victim. Victim and be the oppressor. To those who requires dialogue and critical consciousness and development of awareness to overcome domination, oppression. So requires dialogue and critical consciousness, development of awareness to overcome domination. Yung mga parang feeling mo sila na yung leader dito. Yung sabi ko kanina nga po, feeling leader, tapos feeling authoritarian. Tapos, ayun. So, kailangan natin ng dialogue. So, yung dialogue is open ka sa lahat. So, yung
Feelings mo.
Oo, open ka. Hindi ka pwede maging pessimistic. You should be optimistic na kaya mong mag-absorb from negative na pwede mo siyang i-alter o gawin itong positive and dialogue. Open and close. And critical consciousness. Dapat alam mo.
Aware ka.
Okay, rather than the teaching as banking, it means educator deposit information into students' heads. Personal teaching and learning as a process of inquiry in which the child must invent and reinvent the world. So, yun yung sinabi ko kanina na hindi naman natin pwede Okay. So, yung sinabi nyo kanina na facts, hindi ko pwede i-question yun kasi nga yung banking is a facts also, right? Na yung teaching banking is maganda naman siya, pero ang sabi naman ni Freire that teaching and learning as a process requiring which the child must invent and reinvent the world. So, kailangan natin ng experiential. Hindi pwedeng puro lang banking lagi kasi yung magbabank na, mag-deposit ka lang sa estudyante and i-withdraw mo lang sa umaga. Oo. So, nag-retain ba yun sa estudyante? Hindi. Kasi nga, paglabas niya sa school, ano na, sabi niya, ma'am, kailangan mo bang talamit, di ba? Okay. Teacher must not see themselves as the sole possessor of knowledge and their students as empty receptacles. Yun na nga, yung banking, di ba? Hindi pwedeng yung teacher lang ang may alam, tapos ibabangko lang sa'yo, na parang mga estudyante walang laman. Na parang box lang kayo na lalagyan lang ng information. Tapos bukas, wala, di ba? Di ba? Okay. A democratic relationship between the teacher and her students is necessary in order for the conscientization process to take place. So, dapat democratic relationship. Hindi pwedeng walang no. You still have the respect for your teacher na hindi pwedeng magkapatid pero may respeto sa isa't isa. Democratic, may kalayaan kayong gawin sa inside the class. Yes. First, critical pedagogy is problem-posing education. It's a dialogue. It is also respect that allows to engage people in dialogue and discover or study the process and learn from one another. By its nature, dialogue is not something that can impose. It's genuine. Ito nga yung sinabi ko, yung dialogue is genuine. Dialogue is characterized by respect of the parties involved toward one another. Okay. Dialogue means the presence of equality, mutual recognition, affirmation of people who possess solidarity with people and remaining open to questions. Dialogue is the basis of critical and problem-posing pedagogy as opposed to banking education where there is no discussion, only the imposition of the teacher's ideas on the students. Okay, yung dialogue, open up siya. Pero yung dialogue kasi, pwede yung teacher will ask you and then the students will ask also. But yung banking, yung teacher lang ang maglalagay sa inyo. Yes, walang conversations. Yes, walang dialogue. Yes. Okay, comments of all education philosophy PowerPoint to the reading interacting with others and creating a community of inquiry. As a Charles Sanders Peirce put it, the community is inquiry, a group of persons involved in inquiry, investigating more or less the same question or problem and developing through their exchanges a better understanding both of the question as well as the probable solutions. Community of inquiry will engage learners in active problem solving. So, dapat yung community active sila sa problem solving. Okay, the community of inquiry concept first introduced by early pragmatist philosophers C.S. Peirce and John Dewey concerning the nature of knowledge formation and the process of scientific inquiry. The community of inquiry is broadly defined as any group of individuals involved in process of empirical or conceptual inquiry into problematic situations. So yung the community of inquiry is marunong ka sa community, nakikipag-interaction with yes, and then problem solving. So hindi ka pwedeng nandun ka lang na parang extrovert ka lang. Alam niyo yung extrovert?
Yes.
So may wala namang mali sa extrovert, di ba? Kasi extrovert ako talaga. Mga introvert ang galing nila mag-socialize nila.
Alam ko ma'am, ang introvert
Tahimik.
Ay, I'm sorry. Yung introvert, kasi yung introvert in.
Ako introvert
Tapos
din ako eh.
extrovert. Alam ko, sorry, baliktad.
Social butterfly.
Okay.
Depende nga sa tao.
So, sa next tayo is... yung education na sa Singapore, learning is not competition, no more first, second, or last in class for primary and secondary students. Singapore with their champion system. So sa Singapore daw, inalis na daw yung sa Pilipinas
First
na
honor,
walang first honor, wala nang competition.
Parang sa din ma'am, Malaysia. Kasi hindi sila nakafocus sa unlike sa Philippines kasi,
Academic.
tayo kasi nakafocus tayo sa grades, sa academic. Sa kanila, nakafocus sila sa knowledge, sa learning ng students. Kaya maganda yung progression ng mga
Walang
competition. Oo. Maganda. Kasi hindi sila nakatuon doon sa pressure doon
Yes. And ngayon na nga, may sachet na, sachet ng mga pera, just me.
Karamihan.
Every married na yun sa mga graduation.
Dati yung ano lang, di ba, yung lista lang sinutap.
Dati sa pagita lang.
Hindi, dati sa blackboard lang, yung lista lang sinutap.
Pero hindi talaga maganda yun. Yun na yung garland.
Ang education na natin ngayon is competition. Yes. For me, but I don't know for
Kaya
Totoo.
maraming student na nadidepress.
Kasi pressure sila. So magja-jump tayo sa lesson 2. May 30 minutes pa tayo. Okay, when a school introduces the trains each child of society into membership within such a little community saturating him with the spirit of service and providing him with instruments of effective self-direction, we shall have the deepest and best guarantee of a larger society which is sorted, lovely, and harmonious. Si John Dewey, sabi niya, sa chapter 2 na tayo, yung may picture si John Dewey. So, as school, siya ang nag-i-introduce and nag-train each child of society into membership inside the little community. Tama, yung school ang nag-introduce to soak him with the spirit of service and providing him with the instrument with the love, support, affection, of self-direction. We shall have the deepest and best guarantee of larger society. So, ang mga estudyante, sa loob ng, sa bahay niyo pa lang, yung instrument na yun, diba sabi niya is, ano ba yung mga instrument na natatanggap niyo sa loob ng bahay na nagko-contribute sa society?
Respect.
Love.
Yes. Love. Yes. So, and then nagre-reflect din yun sa school, di ba?
Yes.
Yun. Oh, yes. Yes. So, pag yun, naging progress, di ba? Ang society natin is worthy, lovely, and harmonious. Walang labanan, di ba? Walang nakawan.
Pero imposible yata.
In reality na,
Posible yan. Ngayon pa nga lang, education or school is an institution created by society. Yun naman sinabi mo, education is a function ng society. Yan ang puso or whatsoever. O yung ulo. And such arises from the nature and character of the society itself. Yes. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa school, ano yung produce ng school, yun ang nagiging
Bunga.
ng society. Yes. Society seeks to preserve itself to do this and maintain its function and institutions, one which is education to assure its survival, so stability and convenience. So pag hindi yan na-maintain, ang nangyari sa society natin is a chaos.
Yes.
Yeah, laban-laban tayo dyan. This is called the socialization process. Natutulog na kayo, patapos na tayo. This is called the socialization process. Binibilisan natin mula na tayo.
gutom na eh.
Is the
Pagkain
process.
na naiisip ko.
Okay, ganito kasi tayo, no?
Mga chicken journey nasa
Mga 30 minutes lang yung lunch break namin.
Ako diretso
Hindi
na.
makatarungan.
May next subject na ulit.
reklamo kasi.
Okay lang yan. Mamaya mag-iinuman na naman kayo.
Alam na alam mo ka ba?
Hindi na ako umiinom. Since nandito.
Hindi na rin ako umiinom ma.
Bagong buhay na. Kasi pag malapit na kayo mag-graduate, wala na kayong time dyan.
Oo ma'am.
Wala na kayong time. Kasi tatlong puro araw na lang.
Bukas ka naman po.
Parang yung TikTok nyo, wala na din.
Hindi ko nga alam paano yun.
Okay, socialization is the process of learning the rules, statuses, and values necessary for participation in social institutions. So, pag nakikipag-social kayo, di ba, na-aaral nyo yung rules, statuses, and values? Tama. Socialization is a lifelong process. Tama? Hindi.
Yes.
Kailan tumitigil ang social process?
Pag nategi ka,
Kasi people come and go to another learning, another new learning.
Yes. Kaya nga, lifelong process siya. Role learning that prepares us for future roles is learn anticipatory socialization. So, ano ang anticipatory socialization? Anyone?
parang expectation.
Andun na all, role learning that prepare us for future roles.
Future roles like
Ano ka?
parents,
Yes, you know, like spouse, parents, professional teacher. The family is the most important agent of the socialization. Psychology tells us that the self-concept formed during childhood has lasting consequences beside the person's religious, social class, and ethnicity influence the child's social rules. The self-concept which in turn influence the expectation that others have for the child, and they determine the group with which the child will interact outside the family. So, nagbabago lang yung pagtingin natin sa sarili natin kapag nakipag-interact na tayo sa labas, di ba? Yung self-concept natin nag-influence the expectation din ng family. Oo, nagbabago yung pagpaniniwa, ay maganda ako, tapos sinabi niya, ay pangit ko.
Grabe na, self-destruct. Nakaka-destruct.
Di ba? Yung self-concept mo kasi nasabi ko,
Yung GGSS ka, ma'am, no?
Oo,
Sa sarili mo.
Gigi ka na, paglabas mo, ang katagal ko nga, ganun-ganun na. Ay,
Feeling naman nila.
ayan, di ba? Oo, di ba? Na-influence ka na siya. And then, anong tingin sa'yo ng family mo pag outside the world ka na?
Feeling mo
Butiki na.
strong and independent
Yung ano mo, pag-uugali mo, tell me your friends.
Tell me your friends and tell you who you are.
Show me your friends and I'll tell you your future.
The groups with which the child will interact outside the family.
Ay, iba na ba?
Oh, yeah, they determine the groups, tama? Yes. Yeah. Kung sino yung kasama mo, oh, manginginom ka, manginginom din.
Yeah. At first you're not, but eventually you will.
Hindi naman ma'am. Depende pa rin yun sa tao.
Yeah.
Pero
Depende yan
Hindi ako
talaga.
naniniwala, ma'am. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko manginginom, ako lang hindi.
Ako,
Ma'am.
ako din.
Hindi nga yung sabi nga.
lagi mo silang kasama?
Depende ma'am. Depende. Ma'am,
Sabi ko so, I think.
Okay.
depende yan sa disiplina mo kung paano ka paano ka rin pinalaki ng magulang mo.
Ma'am, sa palagay ko, ma'am, it depends kung gaano kalakas yung influensya mo. It's either ikaw yung influensyan or ikaw yung ma-influensyan.
Oo.
Either bad or
Siguro
good.
ma'am dyan napapasok yung ethics. What is right and wrong?
Yes, tama yung critical pedagogy.
Yes.
Yes.
Every decision.
Tama naman lahat yung sinabi nyo. Pero ang sabi dito, kung paano kayo i-determine ng family. Kasi sino ba yung mga kasama mo? Manginginom. Manginginom ka din, di ba? Oo.
Depende yan, ma'am, sa takbo ng utak ng family. If they don't trust you enough, kasi sila yung nag-build sa'yo eh. Sila yung nag-build sa'yo. Ikaw, sila yung mismo yung makakakilala sa'yo. Kung ma-influence ka, may influensyahan ka ng mga kasama mo.
Pero di ba sabi nila, pag yung nakita ng magulang mo is addict yung kasama mo, kahit ayaw nilang isipin na magiging addict ka, ayun pa rin, doon pa rin papunta.
Ako against ako, ma'am.
Ma'am, ako.
Ako against. Against.
Mag-debate na kayo, mag-debate na.
Sorry. Kapag yung
Sharing
bata
ideas is
kapag yung bata 0 to 7 years old, kailangan lahat ng mga good things i-intact mo na sa brain niya. Kasi once the child reaches 8 and to 30 plus, yung mga naaral nilang 0 to 7, parang nasa system nila daw yun.
7 to 7 yun.
0 to 7,
Ano yan,
0 to
ma'am?
7.
Parang Japanese. Ganyan din yung inaral ko eh.
Nagbayabang. Sabi ng lolo.
Sa akin, depende. Depende tama yun sa trust kung paano ka pinalaki ng magulang mo at paano ka disiplina. Kasi, nung kabataan ko, karamihan sa kaibigan ko, addict. But ako, hindi ako marunong manigarilyo. Saka hindi gumagay. Depende yun kasi magkakasama ka din. Even though ang tao sa paligid mo, sa tingin sa'yo, addict ka kasi galaw. Ayun ang kasi ang environment mo. Oh. Pero nasa sa iyo yun kung paano ka, katulad naman sa magulang ko.
Parang gusto yung mag-debation.
Yeah.
Oo, pwede din, ma'am.
Oh, yun lang.
Ma'am, ako.
Huwag yung bago ka nagabi.
Okay.
Parang ano din, ma'am. Let's say, for example, ako kasi ako eh, kubadera ako eh. Pag lumalabas ako, lagi akong naka-sexy-sexy. Ganyan. So, one time, nagpunta ako ng church. Parang ginudge ako. Pero hindi naman ako balot na balot naman ako. Pero yung nakikita kasi nila yung tattoo ko, ganyan. Ay, doon na pumapasok yung opinion ng iba. Whether it is matter to you or not. Diba? First and foremost, ikaw yung nakakilala sa sarili mo. Opinion nila doesn't matter na eh. Yun lang.
Sa akin kasi ma'am, yung, di ba, ang mga magulang natin, sila yung nag-build, sila yung nag-enhance sa atin. Paglabas natin sa labas ng bahay, feeling nila yung pa rin yung susundan natin. But it affects us even if kung iisipin natin, whether we like it or not, some of them will affect us, up to us, kung gaano yung control natin sa sarili natin.
Diyan na yung pumapasok yung negativity if you listen sa society, which is, it comes from yourself first, foremost, kung ano ka.
Kasi ang importante naman talaga, ma'am, is yung kilala mo yung sarili mo. Hindi yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kasi yung impluensya kasi is nasa sarili mo kung magpapa-impluensya ka. Importante pa rin na kilala mo yung sarili mo at hindi ka mai-impluensyahan ng ibang tao.
Tama kayo. Okay. So, nakita nyo na yung pagbabago ng yung perspective yun nung unang pasok nyo?
Yes.
Diba? Nakita nyo na? Mamaya magbabago na naman yan.
Depende, ma'am. Depende weather lang. Basta to the level.
Because world is always changing.
Na kayo?
Pero maganda yung
Okay.
Pag uwi namin, ma'am, sa bahay, iba na naman. Yung employer na naman yung mag-employer.
Yes, kailan naman yung perspective natin.
Ako na perspective natin.
Hindi, pag school, iba naman.
Next naman is the school is also important agent of socialization. It is an institution charged by society to relay specific knowledge and skills necessary for functioning in society. They are also charged with the transmitting society cultural values. So, ang school ang nagtatransmit sa atin ng specific knowledge, tama? And transmitting society's cultural values, tama? The next part of this chapter is devoted to school, formal and informal. Okay, next tayo, education in primitive society, primitive. In primitive societies, pre-literate person face the problem of survival in environment that pitted them against natural forces and wild animals. So, saan nakatira yung mga pre-literate persons?
sa...
Kasi dito nga siya, pitted them against natural forces and
Parang
wild
yung mga
animals.
indigenous, ma'am.
Yes, kasi nga, di ba?
Ay, sa...
Pero wala na ngayon yung mga badyaw. Nasa nasa syudad na, ma'am. Mas malaki pa yung kinikita nila kaysa sa mga
Ay, madami pa rin sa Baguio.
Pero, oo, yung mga illiterate nga, di ba? Hindi sila pero, they are against from natural forces and wild animals. So, yung mga literate, anong mga natin against? Sarili natin, di ba? Doon tayo nag-aaning, yes, hindi lang sa sarili natin, sa environment. Pero specifically, mas nakaano tayo sa natin. Sila, nagsusurvive sila.
based on their experiences, based on their daily
Through
life.
hunting.
Yes.
Through hunting.
Oo, hunting and then natural process, di ba? Okay.
But they can still survive.
Yes. Yes.
Even without school, right?
To survive human beings, still food, shelter, warmth, and clothing. Yun ang pinaka-basic nilang hinahanap. Yung mga illiterate, mga pre-literate. Hostile environment into one that life-sustaining human can develop life skills and eventually become cultural patterns. Cultural pattern refers to a set of shared beliefs, values, behaviors, and norms that are passed down from generation to generation within a particular culture and society. Life skills, tool, instrument making, adherence to the moral behavior code of school life and language. Early humankind found security in group life based on kinship and tribal patterns. Yung mga nakaraan natin is tribal natin, mga royal blood. Ang nakakasurvive lang daw ay yung mga kinship and tribal patterns. Sino ang pinakamatataas na tribal?
Yung mga dato.
Oo, mga royal blood. Sila rin
Sultan.
nakasurvive. Every human being was educational and children observe and learn.
Sa
Okay.
nation.
Okay. Observe and learn from the elders and as they were deliberately taught by their parents and elders. For this cultural pattern to continue, the adults had to teach this. So yun noon, di ba, ang mga parents and elders natin ang nagtuturo. This is socialization, a function education in society. Socialization is the process which is individual internalize the norms and values of society. So social cultural continuity are attained. This is also informal. Ito yung informal education. Okay? Kasi ang aralan natin is informal to formal. So, ang nagtuturo noon sa atin is yung mga elders and parents. So, as abstract thinkers, human being could create, use, and manipulate symbols. They could communicate with one another through gestures, sounds, and words. These symbols were expressed in signs, pictographs, letters, and instruction of oral literal language. Made a great leap of literacy, which in turn had tremendous educational consequences to the evolution of the socialized society like this in the 21st century now enjoy. So, yung mga abstract thinkers is tend to focus on the meaning of events or hypothetical outcomes. So, ini-enjoy na natin tayo mga 21st century din, di ba? Nag-evolve yung how we think, yung mga creation and production of oral and written language made a great leap of literacy. Yung sa past literacy natin, nag-evolve na siya, di ba? Mas naging high-tech na nga siya eh. Kasi meron na tayong mga bold, ano pa ba yung mga iba't ibang ano natin, mga kinds ng literacy natin. Yung mga fans pala, sorry. Oy, may bold siya, may fans, diba? Iba na ngayon. Tapos yung language natin, natututo na rin tayo. Kaya, na-enjoy na natin kasi iba't ibang design na yung how will we execute the literacy. Okay. Key periods of magja-jump na tayo sa, kasi kasama doon sa History of the Philippines and Education. Okay, ito yung summary niya. In primitive society, survival against nature, 7 minutes. Okay. Hindi na.
Hindi na kaya ba?
Hindi na.
Self-study na lang.
Kasi pag pinili ko to, walang papasok sa inyo.
Homework sa lang sa GC. Self-study na
Ano ko na lang to, kasi madali lang naman siya. Sa next discussion tayo is 3 to 4 ang lesson natin. Chapter 3 and 4. So, yung sa table, basahin nyo na lang. And then magsisend ako ng quizzes nyo and activities.
Sa GC po.
Yes, sa GC.
Sa GC, mama, sa May. Sa GC ka pa.
Sa GC.
Wala na.
Sabi ko mali nga. Di ba tiwangan?
Baliw to.
Kailangan nyo na
Sabi ko, buti na lang na-alas tayo. Sabi ko sa'yo, tayo.
Sa GC na lang.
kasi doon lang tayo.
Kasi nilagyan nga ng ESD.
Gusto nyo ng division?
Yes.
Gusto nyo yun sa
Nagulungan kasi
Makakabuhay
sa
na.
date kasi.
diba? So, 7 division sa midterm na lang. Mag-debate kayo about
Dapat sa susunod na linggo, computer
Right and wrong.
competition. Computing program.
Left and right or right and wrong?
Kailan tayo mag-duty?
Ethics.
mag-debate na lang kayo ng formal and informal. Sinong gusto
Yung,
informal
ano ba
and
yung
formal
last nga?
education?
Nung
Ako
ano,
formal.
nag-P30.
Marami din sa informal.
Sige, ako na lang. Hindi, ang pakit pala nun. Pag-isipan ko na lang ba yan?
Mag-isip ko na lang ako na magaganda.
Well, wala namang formal.
Tsaka mag-ano ka naman, divide din naman kami.
14 kayo, di ba? Ay, informal is 13.
Kailan tayo mag-UT?
Anong sunod sabi ko?
Wala na.
Meron siya.
Anong subject yan?
Ay, yan na naman tayo. Confidence ko, pinagdali ka tanong. Magkakanong ako. Baka pwede isingin. Kahit maganda ko ng pain.
Pag-isipan na lang muna natin.
Never pa kami nag-debate sa klase.
Anong sa ano? Di ba ang
May kasama natin sa
UT? Anong susunod yung subject?
Kakausapin natin si Mami. Pag-isip mag-tenta.
Ihapon din yung UTS na lang.
Oo, bali sa susunod na linggo, hindi na tayo mag-ano sa kanya. Parang hindi komplikado sa next.
Depende rin sa schedule niya. Kasi nakaano na rin kasi yung schedule nila. Ano sabi ni Mami? Kinausap mo si Mami?
Wala nag-reply.
Si Ma'am Chris, yun na ba?
Cheryl? 130.
Dami na tayo.
Kain tayo.
Tapos
siya yung klase nyo? Meron na kayo?
Wala na. Oo.
Dalawa yung subject nyo?
Kasi last week,
Nag-aapat kami.
One point na kami kayo?
gusto niyo po ba
Books na? Books ng beer. One point.
Wala na ako.
Pero may mga subject na
Hindi meron na kami nakabili na eh.
makabili na kayo lahat.
Pagka may mga hindi kayo nabili, pwede namin ibenta yun.
Mas mura? Ay, oo. Sayang.
20 mo na bigay sa akin. Yung 138, 137 na lang.
Salamat na lang.
Oo, at
Kasi may isa lang ako ni Ate Sambala. Dapat pala nagsabi kayo, no? At least nakasave ka, sana kami. Wala na akong pamasahe next week.
Wala na. Lagi
Wala
na
na.
lang.
Yung mga kaibigan namin, wala rin 100 yun.
Oo.
Yes, ma'am.
Di may sukli ka?
200 yung
Iinom na
Ba, may sukli pa ako na dos.
Hindi mo sinabi pala.
Ay, hindi ba nilagay niya?
May sukli ako na dos.
Kanina yung ay pagadukan. 230.
Oh, yan.
Mami, you're lagi siya outside.
Yeah, thank you, maganda, ma'am.
Ma'am Jess, parang iba tayo ngayon ah.
Siya?
Iba yung aura natin ngayon.
Kilala niyo siya?
Yes, ma'am. Si Ma'am Jess yan.
Yes, si Ma'am Jess. Maganda,
Si
maganda.
Ma'am Jess Gandor.
Naging sub-teacher din namin siya na art. Ay, tawag doon, nilagay mo doon ulit yung ano nga, wala
Sa kakain na.
Pagkakain pa uwi na.
Gutom na ako. Di wala ko. Ay, hindi na yun. Ano yung kumain na dahil? Kasi, alam mo bang yan ako ulit? Nag-iin ako. Dugo pa nabasa. Ano mo? Dahil, buti na lang kagabi naligo ako.
Sabi ko niya, ito yung active 8 hours ago. Patay pang bata pa ako.
Toothbrush ako. Bilis, agad. Hindi na nga ako ng ano. Hindi na lang ako mainit at tubig. Alam mo, may hindi tayo mainit eh. Galing ko.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, bakit sa kanya, ano ba yan?
Ito mo na lang.
Sabi niya, 10 ka daw klase mo. Di, aga tayo na. Sabi ako.
May ano ka? May Alipay ka? Send ko na ng next Sunday.
Kasi yun ako nag-base dun sa white na binigay ni EST. Ang nakalagay dun sa
Kasi may
set.
nag-subject na ako parang sa ano sa
Kahit sa'yo na bili ka na pagkain doon para labas ka na. Pero hindi ka mag-ano kung may pinagsukan?
Uy, sino ba? Ay, mga ma'am daw, salamat. Malaking bagay yun.
Dito ako, saan ko yung natin si Mami?
Ano ba? Yung UTS dapat yung ano natin kasi 30 minutes.
Wala na mamasukan. Di nga,
Ay,
kausapin natin
next week, next week. Kasi nga, di ba last week, apat yung subject natin. Papasok tayo ng 9 to 11 sa Comprom. Eh, yung UTS, 10:30. 30 minutes ang left natin.
Thank you, Mama Rez.
Ma'am,
See you next
lagi tayo
time.
late ng 30 minutes.
Oo.
Ano din na-adjust?
Ano ka sa ha?
Hindi talaga na-adjust.
Hindi pa. Sabi na ka lang. Kaya naman. Usapin natin.
Mamaya, kasama lang.
Sabihin mo kayo, ano kayo Ma'am Helen, para ma-adjust na yung time mo.